Welcome to Carroll Motor Company's video tutorial series right here on YouTube. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more helpful tips. Today we are going to walk you through the process of installing the air filter that came with your brand new Kawaski FH721D. This is how your engine will look when you take it out of the box. In that same box you will find a plastic bag with a filter cap, 2 hose clamps, a Kawaski logo plate with 4 screws, and of course, you'll find this beast. This is the housing for the air filter. To begin attaching the air filter canister, you'll need a 10mm socket to remove 4 bolts already secured to the engine manifold. 2 on the front side above the drive shaft, and 2 on the rear side next to the overhead valves. Once you do that, locate the attachment points on the air filter canister. Place one of the hose clamps around the large hose on the underside. Locate the air return port on the motor and slide the end of the hose around it. This is not an easy process and you may have to put a little elbow grease into it. Now you can replace all of the bolts you removed in order to secure the canister to the engine. Begin with the smaller bolts on the back. Finger tighten them first before replacing the longer bolts in the front. Once you're certain everything is properly placed, use your 10mm socket to tighten the bolts into final position. Then use a flathead screwdriver to tighten the hose clamp around its connection point. Now grab the filter cap with the second hose clamp. Pre-tighten the hose clamp around the connection point on the cap and stick it on top of the canister housing. Now tighten the hose clamp with your flathead screwdriver. Lastly, grab that Kawaski plate cover and a Phillips head screwdriver. It attaches just above the drive shaft with 4 screws. Once secured, you have completely assembled your new Kawaski FH721D engine from Carroll Motor Company. We hope this video was helpful and informative. If you have any questions or would like to speak to someone from our office right away, call us at 888-208-2088. For full stock listings and prices, visit carrollstream.com.